Welcome to today's extremely special Aston Martin. It is a DB3S Works recreation that is as close to a tool room copy having been created next to another DB3S in restoration. So let's take it for a ride. This one's really fun. Okay, well, welcome to the road test of our DB3S-R for recreation. It is exceptional in every way, I know, because it was mine, and brought it from England several years ago. So let's fire it up. Ignition. We did start it. It is almost at operating temperatures. I don't think this one needs a cold start. It is exceptional. It has been serviced, well kept. I wish we were leaving the pits at Goodwood, but we are not. We're driving it around Long Island, New York on a glorious summer day. This DB3S was created by Bill Monk alongside another DB3S that was being restored, and its chassis is even in the Palawan press book for DB3s. It is excellent, excellent, excellent. It should be raced in anger, but I've used it for vintage tours. When I purchased it, I entrusted it to Chris Woodgate of Woodgate & Company, who is well known for being a specialist on not only Astons, but DB3s in specific. Its identity is the 1950s Feltham Aston, and having owned originals, having been very lucky to have owned originals, I can say this is exact. Not only is it exceptional in feel in comparison to original, you would be hard pressed to find a donor identity and build this particular DB3S for less than $1 million today, at least. It is that good. We also have the passenger body tonneau, and that comes with the headrest fairing. We're obviously not using it because I have taken a passenger on many occasions, and that is the fun. Two people, wind in the hair, and enjoying the DB3S. As I said, the engine was rebuilt by Chris Woodgate. The entire car was gone through by Chris. We've maintained it since. It has had limited mileage on the rebuilt engine. As you'll see when we get on it, it goes exceptionally well. I'm not saying you can use this as a utilitarian mode of transportation, but I can say that while we're waiting for the train to go by, she is very comfortable. Temperatures are great. Idle is wonderful. Signals, horn, headlamps, panel lamps. It's just a special, special Aston. Take it through suburbia, which are not B roads in and around anywhere in the UK, although I wish it was. It would be a little bit cooler outside, I think, because it's 90 some odd degrees today. But that is part of the vintage and authentic feel. the DB3 speak for itself a little bit around town. It will certainly speak for itself when accelerating. It's just very special for a fraction of the cost of an original. And after all, how many originals were restored and rebodied as this one was recreated? By the same hands, by the way. So, extremely special in every way, able to be used around town. Lovely, usable rally car, vintage rally car. And superb because it would keep up with just about anything out there on any vintage tour and at speed. And I must say, in a lot of comfort in comparison to a lot of other cars or vintage race cars I've used for tours. It is really turnkey, and it's only looking for a new home because you cannot keep them all. And if it was in the UK or Europe, I would keep it and race it extensively. It does have signals, headlamps, everything is working properly, and I can say it is visceral with a capital V. Down here through the twisties a little bit. It is glorious to drive. And it brakes exceptionally well as well. Temperatures and pressures are excellent. As you can see, it is geared for high-speed touring as well. Fourth gear at a tick under 2,500 RPM. Those flybys and can actually visualize and hear how great this DB3S sounds while we're on our way to the FFR road, the farm road, where we'll stretch its legs a little bit before bringing it back to Autosport Designs. We have already shown how it will cruise. Now we'll thump it in a second. Well, it is safe to say it is quite the enjoyable Aston to drive. Tracks well, brakes well. Please check the website for all history. It's written in detail. And if anyone has any questions, we welcome hearing from you and answering them to the best of our ability and knowledge. Thanks for watching.